Shoot. Are you guys in at this shack?
No, maybe. Watch our right. They're definitely in those buildings.
Yeah.
Oh, crap. Not in.
Oh, there's people coming down the hill, though.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Gavin.
What?
Nice. Nice shooting.
Oh, in the car. Oh, no, that's
It's just rolling.
5 alive. There's
In
2
those
other
buildings.
people alive.
I think
Definitely in those buildings.
on the left. The one with the red house. Yep, I just saw him.
Where?
Red rift. Red rift.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Watch these buildings right. I'm going to the right a bit.
Yeah, I
Okay.
was going to too. Should I?
Well, they have to
I'll
come
stay-
to us.
I'll stay here.
Okay.
Hey, he's in the basement, Gavin.
Yeah, I saw.
I've killed no one.
Oh, I'm getting shot at.
We're at...
From afar.
Dude, yeah, that was...
He just opened the balcony. He got in the balcony
Yeah, I see him.
and closed the door.
Yeah.
I don't know what he's doing.
Yeah, me either.
Where's his friend?
Oh, he's
Where?
behind the house.
On
Which
the right?
house?
Oh. Oh, what?
Where?
He is in the balcony with a car.
Got him.
Okay. There's a person behind the house.
Which house?
The red house. He was up the hill a bit. I got a couple shots into him.
Okay.
Okay, watch out. He looks...
Well, there's 2 red houses.
On the left.
The red roof.
Okay. Guys, we should definitely win,
Hey,
right?
don't.
Oh, whoa.
Shoot!
Circle got me.
Crawl in!
I'm gonna die.
Crawl in here! We can't.
Oh my goodness.
Gavin, dude.
Oh, top of the. He's on the
Oh,
top
God.
floor of the red house building. Are you looking at it?
Yeah.
He's in too.
Is he?
Well, we can be in too.
Yeah, we can be in.
We're in right here.
Yeah.
And we could get in the house and be in.
Where's he at?
He's just up in that house.
How many grenades do you have?
Oh no! Side of the building! Side of the building!
I hit him once.
Dude, that thing does not kick at all.
At all.
Ah, God.
I don't know if we can make it that far. Oh, that was a
Not even close.
No. Use a flash grenade or something.
That one wasn't good either.
I don't know, dude.
Oh, you see him? He's behind that tank. Behind one of those walls.
Yeah, alright.
Behind the tank?
Yeah,
Yes.
like the gas tank thing.
Oh,
Oh,
I
he
saw
went
him.
left.
Yeah. He's behind the house.
Okay. Hopefully
behind
this
it.
next circle will be helpful to you guys.
I don't think it goes any smaller.
Really?
Basement.
He's back in the house, right?
Yeah.
Oh, he's coming back out to the right house.
Side of the house. Oh my gosh.
I see him. Go! We should go.
Yeah, get to the wall. Another house.
I hit him 3 times. Shoot! Gavin, go around the other way.
Okay.
Yeah, good grenade. Go,
Go! Gavin, go! He's dead!
Yeah!
Woo!
How many kills did you have, Gav?
4.
I had 0.